Yo.
What the fuck?
Go with y'all boys, man. We are back with another video, and today we got the neglected 340 outside. It's raining out here and shit, as y'all can see. I'm thinking about changing this lip out to something else because this lip sit way lower than any other usual lip, and the driveway is kind of messed up right now. I might just take this lip off and reserve it till the driveway gets fixed. I think the driveway is getting fixed like next month sometime. Just look at how low that shit sits. That shit's crazy. So today we might take this fucking bumper off. So what's up to the vlog?
What's up?
So what's up, YouTube?
What's up?
Talk to the mic. I got the mic on right here.
Mic.
Let me see. Take your time. I got it. Come on, your toy. Look at all them toys back there, bro.
We're going toys and get some snacks and smoothies.
Hold on. Turn this down real quick. We ain't going to the store. I'm taking my bumper off.
Daddy's taking his bumper off. And we're walking.
And I'm going to put a new lip on.
A new lip on for
Who had bought me first?
Me.
You did it first.
Me.
Yes.
Two.
You got a lot of toys?
And we have a book. And
got
I
a
have
book?
a school. Shoes.
Where's the bumper, Belagum? Show me the bumper. Point at the bumper. Let me see if you know what the bumper is.
Here. Yeah.
That's my headlights. Where's the lip?
Oh, Kalani knows.
Kalani knows. Where's the lip?
We're here.
Good job. Now where's the bumper? The lip is on the bumper.
Right there.
Yeah. You put your car in the vlog one time. Big X3M. Pretty cool for real. This is probably the first time I'm putting it on the vlog. Why look better than my car though? Like what the fuck? Like the color.
Her name is Shelby.
It's a BMW.
Why does your face just go like that?
Because it's a BMW. Shelby?
Shelby.
Shelby's a Ford.
How?
It's actually a Ford. Let me walk around real quick. Show them the M package. Where they at? Open that door. All reliable B48. Stop playing with them. Shit clean for real. What you say, Sydney, you be pushing this shit?
4+.
Hey. I'm rocking up that 777. You know I wanna make it up to heaven. So I pray the Lord send his blessings. Cause I wanna make it up to heaven. Yeah. I wanna make it up to Hey. Oh wait, is it time? Is it time to share the thoughts that's in the back of my mind? Stop my words with no direction. I don't know what I'ma find. Gotta take it step by step cause I'm on military time. I'm 1-2 step into the fucking finish line. What's mine is yours is a lie. Cause what's yours is never mine. Yeah, I'm the one who taught all these niggas how to rhyme. If you don't know who to call, just put Keon on the line. I'm a young Asian nigga with a New York state of mind. Born like I'm Jay Lynn.
After hours of getting this bumper off, we finally got it, man. This is right here what you call a faceless B58. She ain't got no personality, bro. And I can finally get all the rocks from under there. Probably clean up the intake. I need to put my parking sensors back in, dude. But I just can't get them paint matched the same way, like the same color as this. I might just say fuck it and just put them in as is, bro. So now as y'all can see, we got the lip off. Feel what I'm saying? After like 20 minutes of struggle. And then, as y'all can see, we got the typical eBay lip in here, man. This is what we're gonna be rocking until the driveway gets fixed. Feel what I'm saying? And then, after the driveway gets fixed, we're gonna have a V-style lip just waiting to be back on the car, bro. Cause I'm not just scraping and breaking this lip going down this driveway. all types of shit. Yeah, we not doing that. Let me just set this aside real quick. Oh.
Hey, I said diluted by the water, hope my sins wash away. Diluted by the water, hope my sins wash away. Sun shining on my face and they wash my tears away. Sun shining on my face and they wash my tears away. I said diluted by the water, hope my sins wash away. Diluted by the water, hope my sins wash away. Sun shining on my face and they wash my tears away. Sun shining on my face and they wash my tears away. Hey, and I believe I'ma make it. I'ma make it up to heaven, yeah. I believe I'ma make it up to heaven. Hope that 7 says his blessings. I'ma make it up to.
God damn.
Finished product.
You have to put that shit right in my face. Remember something? Let me check the CPR. One down. I can see that shit. Finished product. eBay lip slapping. Feel what I'm saying? Wheel lock is crazy. What the? Bro, I still got this little gap right here because I'm missing a screw. And I don't know how I'm missing a screw from here. But at least we could go out and make some POVs now without worrying that I'm about to break my V-style. What I'm saying? It don't look as aggressive no more, I know. I know it don't look as aggressive, but I'll probably start this bitch up right now. Tomorrow is when we get busy with the cleaning and shit. You know what I'm saying? Got all the rags ready. Interior shit. Let me grab my snacks. And that's it for the night, man. I'll pull over right here. It's always something. It's always something. I need to fix that underguard, bro. That shit pissing me off. Can you connect on your phone? See what I'm seeing?
Oh my god, that just made my stomach explode.
And now these people about to go like 10 miles per hour the whole way down. Listen to that intake. You see it? I need to start riding around my fucking Gen 5 in this bit. Cause a nigga gonna be mad one day of me just popping my shit up. Like, I know it. That car wasn't coming?
They're starting to fix this
shit. Yo, this shit sound lovely on back roads.
You wanna go to OP? After? Get some gas.
I go to OP later, like when it gets darker. Lot. Pickleball? Let's go.
I don't know how to play. Isn't it just like
smell like two of them scent.
I mean, like,
Yo.
what the fuck? Does he know how to drive?
No, no.
Are you gonna go down the thing up here? Wrong way, buddy.
Right here? People are parking here. I'm not doing it. Can I park right over here? Hot chocolate run. Me and Sydney. Just cheesing like a motherfucker. Right on the harbor with it. Outside, outside. I gotta look at it from the back. Chill. I'm so glad I took them tints off, bro. This a nice view, ain't it? Looks nice, but like, damn. I wish Maine wasn't so restricted and people weren't so like uptight.
That's like the perfect word to describe it.
This is the turbo side. Whistling, it's literally whistling, bro.
That's literally what it was doing.
I hear something? Intakes. Yo, them downshift is devious, bro. Imagine if I had the Burbos on right now.
I know, I keep waiting.
What's today?
Sunday.
Why everybody out like it's Saturday though? You want me a Burble? Yo, I gotta go to my shack one day and get some clothes, bro. We just gotta fill it ourselves. Isn't it crazy this our X5 X Drive 40 or something?
I can't picture it. Like, I can't picture this in a big ass SUV.
Hey man, if y'all boys enjoying the vlog, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe.